Transform your website visitors into eager leads and loyal customers with a powerful Squarespace 7.1 landing page built in under 90 seconds. Let's dive right in first. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the Pages panel here. Click the plus icon to add a new page from the drop-down menu. Select Blank Page. We want a clean slate to build our focused landing page. Next, it's time to add content. Click Add Block, and a variety of options will appear for a landing page. The most crucial elements are a compelling headline and a clear call to action. Let's start by adding a text block for your headline. Make it punchy and benefit-driven. Think about what will immediately grab your visitors' attention and make them want to learn more. Now, let's add the core of your conversion depending on your goal. You'll want a button block for a direct purchase or to link to another page, or a form block to collect leads. Choose the button block and customize its text. Aim for action verbs like download now, sign up free, or shop now if you're collecting leads. Select the form block and add the fields you need, like name and email. Don't forget to connect it to your email marketing service. Visuals are key to engagement. Drag and drop an image block to add a high-quality image that complements your offer. This could be a product shot, a graphic representing your service, or a lifestyle image that resonates with your target audience. Ensure your image is relevant and visually appealing. You can also enhance your page with a quote block for testimonials or a video block to explain your offering. To make your landing page truly stand out and focused, utilize sections. Click the plus icon at the bottom of your page. To add a new section, you can choose from predestined layouts or start with a blank one within each section. You can add background colors or images to create visual separation and highlight different parts of your message. This creates a visually appealing flow and guides the visitor's eye. Finally, optimize for search engines. Go to your page settings and under the SEO tab, write a compelling title and description. These are what people will see in search results. So make them clear, concise, and keyword-rich to attract the right traffic, and that's it. You've created a focused, conversion-driven landing page on Squarespace 7.1, ready to capture your audience's attention and drive results.